it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Hello friends, when the weather is cold or at night, Indonesia has a wide selection of traditional hot drinks that are benefit for the body. One of the most popular and unique is this drink combination spicy finger sauce with chewy sticky rice ball. Yes, this is Wetang Ronde. Let's find out the story of acculturation and the uniqueness behind this bowl of warm drink. Did you know, friends, Wetang Ronde is actually a beautiful result of acculturation between Chinese and Japanese cultures. This dish is adapted from a traditional Chinese dish called Tang Yuan, which consists of sticky rice balls served in a sweet sauce during lantern festivals or the winter solstice as a symbol of family togetherness. When it arrived in the Indonesian archipelago, the Japanese modified the sweet sauce by adding ginger to suit the local climate and its health benefits and named Wetang Ronde. The word Wetang means warm drink in Japanese, while Ronde refers to the round shape of the balls. The most interesting component of Wetang Ronde is the burnt balls themselves. These balls are made from glutinous rice flour, canned with a little water until smooth, and then colored in bright color like red, green, and white. Inside there is hidden filling of frosted, coarsely ground peeled peanuts mixed with palm sugar. When the sticky rice balls are boiled until they float, the outer texture of the ronde becomes very chewy, while the inside retains the distinctive sweet savory flavor of the peanut. The main ingredients that determines the warmth of this dish is the sauce wedang. Ronde sauce is made from boiled water, palm sugar, or granulated sugar, lemongrass, pandan leaves, and most importantly, pressed ginger, usually ginger empress or red ginger. This part produces a sweet sauce that also provides a warm, spicy flavor that instantly soothes the throat. Served in a small bowl, the ronde balls are toasted in hot ginger sauce, topped with festive accompaniments including crunchy roasted peanuts, piece of wild bread, thinly sliced palm fruit, and sago pearl. Wedang ronde is not just a drink to warm you up at night, but a culinary heritage rich in historical heritage and a blend of cultures across the archipelago. So, if the nights are cold, a bowl of wedang ronde is always the perfect way to warm you up. Thank you for watching this video segment. We hope this information pertains or knowledge of in traditional culinary tradition. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Keep your heart beat,